basics when you start meditating is to just take a seat or find a place and sit or lie down that feels calm and quiet to you. You can set a time limit, how long you want to meditate. You notice your body, like how the ground feels on your feet, how the ground feels on your butt, like when you're sitting, how it pushes or comforts you, how it carries your weight. You can feel your breath, like take in some big breaths and just calm yourself. And whenever you think about things, because meditation is about clearing your head as well, whenever you think about something and your mind wanders, that is totally okay. But just when you notice it, you can just say, oh yeah, okay, now it's time to focus on the present again. What am I doing right now? I am meditating. And one of the things that helped me meditate and get into this was I would focus on my breath. So like the bridge between when I take in air and when I release it. So you can also count when you're meditating. So you go and take a breath in and count to 6. 1, 6. Then you hold it for 4 seconds and let it out 6 seconds. 1, 6. And by doing this, you can also distract your mind from all the chaos in the world, all the crazy things that's happening, because you're just focusing on your breath and counting, and that will create a peace and calmness in you as well. Be kind to yourself. It doesn't matter if your mind wanders all the time. It's natural. It happens also for me all the time. Just whenever it happens, just notice it and be like, yeah, okay, my mind wandered a little bit. And that's okay. Now I'm getting back to focusing on my breath. But also, like, sometimes thoughts will come, and it might be great thoughts that, like, an epiphany. Oh my God, I never thought about that before. But because now when you give yourself peace from all the chaos out in the world, in this society that always wants to give us something to watch, something to see all the time, it gives us a place where we can't pay attention for longer amounts of time. And that is another thing that meditation will create in you, so you can actually have a longer attention span, and you will be able to work better, you will be able to stay calm in all kinds of situations when you get good at this, because you can just ground yourself on the spot. For me, I had a time at work some days ago where I got super stressful and I was almost going crazy. But then I remembered, because I have gained this awareness of myself, my emotions, my feelings, my thoughts, and I could just ground myself, and I could just tell myself, okay, David, you're really stressed right now, and that's okay. Now we'll just take it 1 second at a time, count to 10, take some deep breath, calm yourself down. Yeah, okay. No one's trying to kill you. Everything's fine. Okay, let's solve this in a good manner. And then I got to work. Yeah, and when you're done with meditating, you can just appreciate everything that's good right now. We're just sitting here in nature. It's super calm. We see the beautiful colors of nature, the beautiful gray sky, because there's beauty in everything, even when it's not sunny. All the life that's going on in here, all the nature that will just continue and continue to be there no matter what happens. And that is ultimately amazing. And we can always go into nature and feel calm, because here we can just sit and enjoy and relax and see the good in everything. There's trees, branches, all kinds of colors: brown, yellow, red, green. You can feel things with your hands. It's cold, it's hot, it's sticky, it's wet. And just appreciate all these feelings that you can actually do with your hands or other body parts. And you can feel the roughness of a stone, or feel some pine needles, or the moss on the tree. You can pick some leaves up and look at them and just appreciate that you're here right now. And in the Norwegian forest, there's even a lot of berries. You can go and pick some berries and eat them, and just enjoy the taste sensation that it brings you. All of these things, there's so much to be happy and joyful about. So just enjoy it and be happy that we're here right now, and we can control ourselves, and we have the capacity to do anything we want in life. So don't let your thoughts control you. Ultimately, you're the one who is in charge, and you are the master of your thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. And only you can let it affect you if you want to, but be in control always. Never let your feelings take control. Never let your emotions take control. Never let your environment or other people take control of your life. But be in control yourself, because it's your life and no one knows better than you. So yeah, and of course the last thing I wanted to share about meditation is like it increases patience and tolerance. There's so much happening out there in the world, and sometimes we need to give things patience, and other times we need to be able to tolerate what's happening right now, right here, in this moment, and just see, okay, this other person is very angry right now, or very upset, and person probably needs some time, and I will give the person time. Or maybe something is happening in traffic, there's a traffic jam, and instead of going crazy and like yelling or honking the horn, like you can just, okay, I'm not in control of the traffic jam, I'm in control of me. I control myself. I control my emotions, my feelings, my thoughts. So I will choose to just let this traffic jam be a good thing in my life. Because now, while I wait here in my car or in the train or wherever you are, I can choose to think about something positive. I can choose to think about something great. I'm here, I have a car. I sit inside a car or a train or a bus, and I'm happy that I'm here, I'm alive, I can afford this, I have peace, I have warmth, I have clothes, and I'm happy that in a little time the traffic jam is over and I can get home or I can get to work. And just enjoy the peace that that moment brings. Just always see the good in life. There's always something good you can see. So now I just want to bring this, it's been a long meditation, but it's important. So now I just want to bring this to a close. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Subscribe and comment below, and like if you like. And you could comment like, what are some of the things that I just shared with you that you really appreciate? What are some of the good things that meditation can bring you? Will you really appreciate? And have you meditated yourself? Is it something you find hard? Why do you want to meditate? Do you want to meditate? But for sure, with all the things I just shared, it's a good thing to do. But ultimately, you're in control of everything yourself. Anyway, stay strong and freaking awesome. And remember to get that power mentality. See you next time. Bye-bye.